If I have a set, the objects in the set are called the elements or members of the set. Okay, so when we define a set, we say that a set is a collection of objects. So the objects are called the elements of in the set. Okay, so usually we use capital letters to represent a set. Meanwhile, small letters are used to represent an element. Okay, so a set is described by using these braces. Okay, so if I write here, if we have here A in A, so this is the symbol of element of or membership symbol. Okay, it means that A is in A, or A is an element of A. Okay, but then this symbols is not in or not an element of A. Alright. Okay. Let me give you examples of sets. Okay, and elements of a set. So I have the numbers, set of the numbers 1, 3, 7, and 10. Okay, so let's say I call this set to be A. So A is a set containing 1, 3, 7, and 10. So the elements of A are 1, 3, 7, and 10. A is the set. Okay, so 2, the set of the solutions of the equation, oops, sorry, are we just now? Okay, the solution of the equation x squared minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So this is also a set. 3, the vowels of the English alphabet, which are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, or I can write this as S. Okay, so I can list it as A, E, I, O, U. It means that A, E, I, or U are the members or the elements of the set S. Okay, or can say the students who are absent in today's class. Okay, in our class today. Okay, so it also become a set, means that you put the name of the students who are not in the class. Okay, 5, the set of even integers. Okay, so we know that even integers is a number 0, 2, 4, 6, and so on. Okay, we should start with, okay, the set of the positive even integers. Okay, because I don't put the negative one, so it doesn't include 0. Okay, just because I don't put the negative. Alright, and then 6, I can also have the set of the capital cities in Malaysia. Okay, so you can write all the name of the capital cities in Malaysia. Okay, so if you see in this 6 example that I gave, these 3, okay, are specified or presented by listing the members. Okay, so by listing the members. And these three, 2, 4, 6, example 2, 4, 6 are defined by stating properties. Okay, stating properties or rules which decide whether or not a particular object is a member of the set. Okay, so actually we have two methods to define a set. So this one is called listing method. Okay, and this one is called constructive method. Okay, so listing method, when we list all the element one by one. Meanwhile, constructive method is when we state the properties to determine whether an object is an element or not. Okay, right, so you see we can represent set in using two methods. Listing method are also known as roster method and also a constructive method. Okay, listing method is also known as enumeration method. Okay, so you see, by using listing method, the set can be defined by listing all its elements separated by commas and closed with braces, as I said before. So for examples, I'll have set A is a set containing number 1, 2, 3. Set B containing, what is this? Positive, even, integers. Okay, so if I want to use constructive method, I have to give the properties. But when I use listing method, I list all the elements. These three dots means that you have many more elements. Okay, but you cannot list them all. Okay, set X containing letter A, B, C, D, E. And number 4, example 4 is the set of integers. So you list all the elements. Okay, remember integers consist of negative, positive, and 0. Alright, meanwhile, for constructive method, the set can be defined, okay, where possible, by describing the elements. We give the property, we give the rule when the object becomes an element of the set. Okay, we use set builder notation. So this is what we call set builder notation. So X is element in U. So what is U? U is the universe or universal set. Okay, so if we say that all sets under investigation in any application of set theory is assumed to be contained in some large fixed set called universal set or universe. Okay, and Px is the defining equation of X, or the properties or the rules. Okay, and we can build a new set from a given set. So this given set is the universal set. By specifying, we build new set by specifying those elements in the given set satisfying particular property. Okay, alright, for example, let U be the set of all students studying in UTM. Okay, so U is the universal set. The universal set is the set of all students studying in UTM. And then now I create another new set A, where A is an X. So X is student in UTM. So because X is in U, and X is an undergraduate student majoring in mathematics. So if I pick any of you, you can be in this set A because you are students majoring in mathematics. Okay, alright, another example, set C containing element X, where X is an integer and X is greater than 3. So I can also write this one to be X is an integer such that X is greater than 3. Okay, this one is by using constructive method. If I want to use listing method, Okay, so my C is set of integer greater than 3. When I say greater than 3, does it include 3? No, it doesn't include 3. So it will start with 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay. So, you can try to do this activity. Given V is the set of all students in this course, find some okay, so V is the universal set of all students in this course. Find some particular properties of A. So A is the elements, means that any student in this course. Okay, let's say I will give you one example. A, such that a set A where A the element of V, so means that A is the student in V, where V is the set of all students, means any of you. Okay, such that A is an SSCM student. Means that if you are an SSCM student, then you can be in this set. Okay, but if you're not SSCM student, then you cannot be in this set. I can also do the listing because but it will be a very big set. Maybe 50 of you are SSCM students. So if I want to do the listing one by one, it might be a little bit tedious. Okay, so that is where we use constructive method. Alright, now try to do this exercise. Okay, rewrite the following sets using constructive method. Okay, so I want you to try to rewrite the sets by using constructive method. Okay, before you continue with the next video, please try to do this exercise.